formation flying, very challenging for those who do it, maintaining position and station throughout the entirety of their formation routine. Todd, on the wing, doesn't dare take his eyes off of Stevens' airplane lead. We're going to watch him now as they perform this, the wing-over, or the whip maneuver, as they trade some altitude for airspeed and work their way back inbound from our left towards show center. We're going to watch now to the left as they ease the sticks back into their laps as they perform this, yet another vertical formation loop.